Little elephant, big and gray, flappy ears that sway, sway, sway. Stompy feet on dusty ground, making such a rumble sound. Stomp, stomp, swing your trunk, splashing in the water plunk. Stomp, stomp, strong and fine, gentle giant, one of a kind. Long trunk reaching high and low, spraying water, watch it flow. Big round eyes and happy grin, wiggly tail so small and thin.